Hello everyone, I Sudeepti, a mental fitness coach and a transformational coach, is once again here with another topic, which is don't listen to rumors. Or maybe you may hear them, but you need to understand what to listen, what to understand, what to absorb and what not. So according to my understanding, what are rumors? Let's understand that. So there are kind of information or the currently circulating story about country, location, people around us, or maybe company, or maybe network. Different kind of story or information which is circulating about any of these, which may be true, which may not be true, is known as rumor. Or on the other hand, any information which may be true, may not be true about us is also a rumor. So we need to identify like what we need to do when we come across certain kind of this kind of a rumor, which is about circulating story of country, company, marketing, network, or people, or and how to handle it when it is about me, it is about us, right? So one thing at a time. So let's take about when we get the information which may not be true or may be true about the country, company, network, or something like that. So what we are supposed to do, we have to identify whether this situation is going to affect us in the long run or not. So for example, if there is a news going on, or if there are rumors going on or information going on that there are certain people who are just spitting on the road and making our roads dirty, okay, we have also seen it, so there may be a possibility, but this is not affecting us. So there may be different kind of scenarios where we need to identify whether this information, this rumor is going to affect us in long run or is not going to affect, right? So in case if we feel that there are situations where this rumor can affect us, what we are supposed to do is we have to identify what worse can happen if this rumor in the long run is going to affect us, right? For example, long back, not very long, but yes, long back, we came to know that there is a virus which is coming, which is spreading like anything. But there were a lot of people, and even still at this era also, when there is a lockdown everywhere, even now also there are people who are not considering this situation as a threat to them, right? So earlier when we got this information, we actually didn't thought of it as a threat to all of us. So certain people who were considering it as a rumor and may thought of the worst case scenario, what could happen. So what worst could happen? That it may affect us, our health. In that case, what should we do? We should keep our immune system strong. Now if our immune system is strong, then this rumor, even in case if it is a reality or if it becomes a reality going forward, this will not lead us or push us into a worst case scenario, right? So in case if this rumor may happen to be right or correct, then we should identify the worst case scenario, what maximum could happen, and how can we create or take action to not let this worst happen. So in that case, this is how we can deal with it. And in the other case scenario, when we listen to any situation and we come across any kind of information or a rumor which is against us or which is related to us, me, then how to deal with it. So this is just my experience, this is just my view of the scenario. So what we are supposed to do is, if it is a rumor, I think it is a rumor, then the best part is ignore it. Yeah, ignore it. No, can't do it. Can't ignore any rumor about us. How dare she said like this? How dare? Acha, she was talking to you about me. No way. How dare she? I will see. Right? So no, we can't ignore. So if we can ignore, yes, then very good. Focus on the task which is in your hand. Keep putting efforts with the right intent and keep spreading happiness and be at mental peace, right? In case if you cannot ignore that rumor, then again there is a formula, there is a process with which you can process it. Yes, it is time taking, but once you start practicing it, once you become aware about this process, how it is getting inside, then gradually it will become your habit. right? So what we are supposed to do, in case if we think that this rumor, we are not going to digest it, we are not going to ignore it, then take all information. Take all the information which are named as rumors, take all the information, and now the second step is observe that who has said this information. If the person who is talking about this, who is providing this information, who is spreading this rumor, is a person who is a master in your stream, right, and follows what he says, is accountable for whatever he or she is saying, then in that case, you need to give an ear to it. In case if the person who is saying about it is a failure in its stream, is not aware about you and your attitude, is not aware about how you take things or how you have dealt your life with, if the person is only trying to belittle your image, because it is very easy to draw to break someone else's line than to draw our own line, right? You must have heard this quote, right? So in case if I want to be very famous, so instead of me becoming famous, what I rather would do is I would distract you. So your fame would reduce and I will automatically be famous. So what generally people do in competitive industry is they belittle other people, their competitors, instead of focusing on what quality they are providing. So when we look at Rahul's team, what Rahul focuses on is what he is doing, what he is providing, his 100% effort, and he cares to hoots to any kind of a rumor. He is just focused on what he is supposed to do. He is just focused on what corrective action I can take, even if there is 0.00001% chance of existence of this rumor, then also my corrective action would nullify the effect of this rumor. Right? So we should follow that kind of a thing. So in case if this person is not eligible enough to bother you, then please ignore this person. Don't bother. And there is one interesting trick which I may tell it to you sometime later, how to deal with such kind of a people who are actually belittling your image, right? So we just have to ignore this person. And the other person, in case if you think that this person is qualified enough, is much experience holder and having a knowledge and expertise in your stream and can criticize your performance or may pass or create any kind of rumor or may pass on information about you which is not absolutely right, then in that case you have to analyze what are the information in that rumors. Why is it this person has said like this? Maybe there is something where I can improve. Maybe he has misunderstood. So I need to analyze. So take all information, observe whether this person is eligible to pass a rumor or not, whether this person is not eligible. Not eligible, cut it off. If it is eligible, then analyze whatever he has said. Is there any scope of improvement for me to improve upon it? If yes, there is a scope, then take action with your alternative best option where you can improve. Take the corrective action. Enhance your and focus on enhancing your name, fame, recognition, money and respect, right? And once you focus your direction towards that, then and with the right intent, keep practicing your efforts, automatically these rumors will vanish. At least even if these rumors will vanish or not, but you know that you have already planted the actions in the universe which will nullify the effect of this rumor. And see, one special trick, one trick, one thing when I was a child, when I was in my teenagers, my maternal grandmother used to say something. So there are always in our life there are people who pass on negative comments, those who pass rumors, those who criticize your performance, or those who do negative marketing about you, right? So my nanny used to say that they are actually our helpers. You know how? Because they do our mouth-to-mouth publicity. So see what happens. For example, if someone talks nonsense to me about Rahul's group, right? I will, and if I am a kind of a nature that I should identify what kind of rumor it is. Acha, he's doing that kind of a thing. I should check and we should report, right? So if I am that kind of a person, then what I would do, I would get along with this person, let's come together and let's identify what is happening and what this person is doing. That kind of people, they generally do like that. So they love the gossips. So they need masala for gossips, right? So what I will do, I will accompany this with this person and I will go and check in Rahul's account what actually is happening. Is he deteriorating the name of other competitors? Is he, what exactly he's doing? Is he copy pasting? Is he experience holder? Is he having any worth thing or not? He is just moving around, or what he is doing. Now the moment I get into the network of Rahul Bhatnagar, what I see? People appreciating him. What I see? People praising him. What I see? So many new learners are fighting, are taking initiative to come out of the rut, are taking initiative to enhance their self-esteem, are taking initiative to become something in their own eyes. There are a lot of people who are actually trying to win. And what Rahul is doing, he is helping them to come up. So now when I see from my eyes that Rahul is helping me, what will happen? I become the fan of Rahul, and this person has lost the respect. Isn't it? So these people, they do negative marketing for us, and that becomes in turn beneficial for us if we are working with right intent and right actions, and if we are focused on what we are supposed to do with right intent. So with this, we would say that, I would like to say that please avoid rumors, and in case if you are unable to avoid rumors, please apply this formula. This is a very simple formula for which we need to just practice a little, and this happens within us. Initially this will take time, maybe a minute or 2 or 3, 4 minutes, but later on it will become your inbuilt habit, and this will help you a lot. With this wish that this formula, this trick, this internal processing is going to help you going forward. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.